Do not start dermarolling until you watch this video, guys. If you have never seen my first part of this video, I'm gonna link down below in the description box, so you can go check it out, that video, before watching this video. If you already saw the other video, welcome. My name is Jean Amber. I am the owner of Real Needle medical grade dermaroller, and I want to give you as much information as possible to have not only great benefits by showing how to use dermaroller, but also telling you and teaching you how to prevent side effects by knowing mistakes that some people doing. And so I don't want you to do mistakes while using dermaroller. Dermaroller is great tool, great way to get rid of fine lines, stretch marks, hair loss, prevent hair loss, what is on my face, hyperpigmentation, any skin problems, issues, concerns you have. Is literally like the cheapest home use device to get your skin flawless. And mistake number one, do not use dermaroller on active acne. No, 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 no. If you have active acne like all over your face, forget dermaroller. I'm telling you, this is not going to work. This is going to spread acne more. If you have just like one spot, two spots active acne, just roll around. Besides active acne, right, I'm gonna read a little bit because this list is really long. So you don't want to use dermaroller on active acne, on like basically any abnormal skin disease like cold sores, herpes, melanoma, keloid or raised scar, fungus, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, hives, keratosis. And about the moles, I was actually talking to my friend who is plastic surgeon about moles, how he does, like if there is like really big raised mole, I wouldn't do this. But if you have a small mole, then it's not a problem. For example, I have here small like raised mole, it's not a problem. I always roll on the on the top. But if you have like really big like a mole that you don't know if it's okay, it's not, contact your doctor, contact your dermatologist or your family doctor, get it checked. If this mole is like not cancerous, it's not dangerous, then it's okay. Basically any skin, abnormal skin issue that you have, guys, be careful. You don't want to use dermaroller. Just wanted to let you know. All right, dermaroller mistake number two, maybe you don't know, maybe you know. For example, if you are a mature woman, you're getting fillers done and everything, you must wait 2 weeks before you dermaroll. After treatment, wait at least 2 weeks. If you get like chemical peels, if you get Botox, if you get fillers, any type of cosmetic serious cosmetic procedure you're getting done, wait at least 2 weeks before you use dermaroller, and then you can use it. Now, mistake number three, watching YouTube videos, watching people not certified how they use dermaroller, how they do. YouTube is full of videos and full of incorrect videos. I have watched some videos that a woman like dermaroll her face, and I'm like, oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I actually asked her to take the video down, because if you guys want to follow somebody who is not certified, somebody who is not trained how to use dermaroller, it's not good. I remember when I was trained to use dermaroller, it's so different when you watch videos how people doing, had no knowledge, had no training, and they're using like dermaroller and showing how to use. This is no, this is not what you want to follow. I mean, you can watch makeup tutorials, but skincare tool like dermaroller with the needles inside is really serious. It looks like a simple, nice, cute device, but can be really dangerous if you don't know how to use it. So follow only like estheticians, certified esthetician, plastic surgeons, dermatologists, physicians who were trained how to use dermaroller. So I'm not the only one that I am trained how to use dermaroller. There are other people, but just guys, please do your research before you following somebody and before you watching somebody's videos how to use dermaroller. I suggest you to follow only certified people who knows how to use dermaroller. This is not a toy. This is skincare tool which can be dangerous if you use not correctly. Mistake number four, somebody actually asked me from my customers when they bought my dermaroller, they say, Jen, can I use this with can I share this with my mom? No. You don't want to share, not with your mom, not with your spouse, not with your children. You don't want to share roller with anybody else. Maybe it's gonna sound stupid, but do you share condoms with your best friend? No. So this is the same thing. You don't wanna use someone else derma roller. Come on guys, this is not so crazy expensive tool that you should be using. Like in the hospitals, they don't share needles when you stick in your vein. They don't share with somebody else. This is like serious thing. This tool can cause like small bleeding, and any disease you have on your face you can transfer to another person. This can be really dangerous. Do not share your derma roller to anybody else. And mistake number 5, people know that they have to disinfect derma roller before using, but after using they do not disinfect. They just place in the case, close the case, and they just leave it for the next time. After each using derma roller, you must disinfect derma roller. So what I do, I spray or either pour alcohol, you know, and after and before I do this. So you must disinfect your derma roller before using derma roller and right after derma roller. Imagine if you don't disinfect your derma roller after using, you have some like dead skins, you know, you roll and everything. Maybe you have like a little bit something like little small germ. We cannot see this, but if you were looking with the microscope, sometimes there can be infection, and you're going to place in the case, there is bacteria gonna make babies, and the next time you're going to roll on your skin, these babies gonna be everywhere. And you really want to make sure you disinfect your derma roller really well before using and after each using. Now guys, I have giveaway. I want to give away for those people who never try my derma roller. I want to give away one derma roller to my lucky subscriber. Rules gonna be down below in the description box. Here I have my own brand, real medical grade needle derma roller, which is high quality, have CE certificate. All I'm doing these videos, guys, because I want you to have beautiful skin. My goal in my life is not to make money, is to make you happier, to make you more confident, to feel good, to love your skin. Nobody said perfect, nobody has perfect skin. I just want you to be happier than you are today. So yeah guys, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button, subscribe, and leave me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, always leave in the comments below. You can reach me on my Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I always answer all your skincare concerns. Send me pictures, ask me questions. I always answer. When I see picture, like clear picture that you send it to me, I see, can you use derma roller? You cannot use derma roller. I always super honest, guys. I'm never gonna tell you use derma roller if I see you cannot use at this moment. We're gonna try to solve issue, how to get rid, for example, of pimples if you have pimples, and then I'm gonna tell you what to use, how to use, and everything. So I'm like really want to help everybody in this world to have a nice skin. And so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I see you in my next video.